How to connect to an SQL database. So if you have a database in SQLite, you can easily connect to it using the SQLite 3 module. So you import SQLite 3 and then you create a connection object by writing connect is equal to cursor dot SQLite 3 dot connect, and then in the brackets you will write your database name. So if you already have a database, you can write here the name, or if you don't have the database, you can create a new one by just writing a name .db and it will be created. So I've created a new database here, and now when I print the variable connection conn, it will tell me that it is an object. Now to show you that I have created this, the database has been created, I'll show you the directory where my Python files are stored, and here you can see all the DB files are here. These are all the ones that I have, and this is the one I just created, new DB. So these are how the database files are stored. Now you can also, now I have that existing database school.db, and I'll show you how to connect to it. So SQLi3.connect school.db. Now when you print this connection variable, it will again give an object. So we have connected to this db over here, school.db. So if you want to execute any statement, you have to create a cursor. So for that you write cursor is equal to connection.cursor, and then if you want to execute the statement, you have to write cursor.execute. And now I'll just display all the tables within this database. So I'm using the query select star from SQLite underscore master, and I'll write where type is equal to, and now in quotes I have to write the quotes different from what the outer quotes are. So I'll write here double quotes inside. I'll write table, type is equal to table, and now when I now I'll just display all the products that I've fetched, or display all the tables that I've fetched. So I write for I in res print res. I did a mistake over here because res is the object. I have to do fetch all. So I do cursor.execute, and now I'll do x is equal to cursor.fetch all. So this will fetch all the rows in the table, final table, and now I print x. So you see all the tables that are there. So first one is table student, and the second one is table teacher. So this shows that we are connected to the database of school, and that's how you connect to a DB in Python using SQLite 3.